Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you have never seen my face before, hello, my name is Brooke. I post beauty and lifestyle related videos on my channel weekly. If you want to, you can totally subscribe because I won't be mad about it. So if you want to subscribe, feel free to click that button down below. I'm sure you know where to find it. And feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. For today's video, I will be showing you this more colorful berry melon kind of spring look that we have going on here. I really sat down knowing I wanted to do something bright and colorful and springy, but I had no idea what I wanted to do. So I created this look for you guys and I hope that you like it. And if you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. I'm just gonna go in and take a bit of my vanilla powder by Anastasia and set my lid with this. This is just gonna make sure that the concealer isn't sticky and that everything will go on nicely. Alright, so I'm gonna be dipping into my soft Glam palette. I'm sure you guys are not surprised by this. And I will be taking the shade Orange Soda. I'm gonna be putting that in my crease as my transition shade because I want to start to build more of that orangey tone in that crease area. Now I'm going to be going into my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette and I will be taking the shade C's. It is a corally orange shade and I'm going to put that in my crease to start to build a little bit of that definition, but just so that the shades that I go in with later blend nicely into that area. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with the shade Warning, and I'm going to be focusing that on my outer and inner corners and in my crease. So I'm going to start to build a bit of that halo shape with this, and I'm just going to blend it out and then keep applying it until I'm happy with the pigmentation. And now all I'm going to do is just run this brush that I used for my transition shade and my crease shade back over those areas, my crease and my transition area. And I'm not going in with any additional product, I'm just doing this to go over it and make sure that everything is seamless. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade right next to it called Alchemy, this shade right here, and I'm going to go in and put that into the center of my lid. Alright, so I've actually changed my mind and I'm actually going to go in and put this shade all over the lid just because I like the way the color combo goes together and I kind of want this purple shade to just blend up into that crease area. Alright, and then I'm just dipping back into that Warning shade and just running that slightly through this crease area without really bringing that down onto the lid at all. I'm just going to go in and blend that out like that. I'm just going to go into my Kandy Cosmetics Glitter in the shade XOXO, and I am going to tap that over the shadow that I have on my lid. So I'm not going to wet my brush with any kind of glitter adhesive or anything like that. I'm going to go in with a fluffier brush and just tap this into the pigment or into the glitter and then just tap it onto my eye. I'm just going to smoke a little bit of liner onto my lash line to conceal the lash band, but also to add a little bit of definition because you can never go wrong with that, and quite frankly, liner is probably one of my favorite steps in makeup in general. So I'm just going to go in with my Morphe liner in the shade Dark Room. I will be using my Bad Gal Bang mascara today. You guys know the drill with this. This has been my go-to since this came out because it is just that great of a mascara. I'm going to put a quick coat of this on and then I'm going to go in and put on my E.L.F. lashes. These are the Luxe Lash Winged and Bold Lash. Now I'm going to go in and just quickly line my lower waterline with that black liner. And then I'm going to go into my palette and I'm going to be taking the shade Alchemy, that purple shade, on a flat shader brush and pushing that up against my lash line and then blending it out with the Warning shade, which is the other shade that we used on the lid. Then put a coat of mascara onto my lower lashes. I will be using the Bad Gal Bang mascara as I did for my top lashes. To highlight my eye, I'm going to go back into my Soft Glam palette and I will be taking the shade Fairy, which is this shade right here, and I will be putting that on my brow bone and in my inner corner. Then I will be going in with my Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Karma today. This is so beautiful. When I saw this in the store, I was like, girl, I got to have that. Alright, so this completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to click that subscribe button if you want to. I'm not forcing you to, but if you want to, I would greatly appreciate it. And feel free to leave comments down below letting me know what kind of content you want to see next from me, because I would love to film what you want to see. So again, thank you so much for watching. I truly, truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you guys in the next one.